Just the 1 point for the two teams together before that dunk by Terry here in the second half.
This first quarter, it's been a dominating performance from Hapoel, but what a finish by Ullman.
Lovely offload. Oh, great. Well in by Cam Conan, saying no.
Offensively, Ullman looking for the alley-oop, and what a time to find it inside the final 2 minutes.
Big attack, even bigger block. Drive from Cohen, oh, well rejected by Terry.
Plavšić, how about that pass? Wow! Besiktas with the ball. This is Ullman. The alley-oop teed up for Plavšić.
Body control from Ulu as Thomason has it robbed by Niederman. What a pass! And it's thrown down.
Convert the free throw is the first lead of the game for the home side. Cedevita 15, Besiktas 13. Doesn't last long though.